Tension on the main cable now.
Copy that. Tension applied. Watch the swell.
Winch 2 engaged.
Steady tension. We have visual.
Copy that. Proceeding with recovery protocol.
Comms check, Diver 1, loud and clear.
Diver 2, check.
Diver 3, check, all systems green. Looks good. Keep it coming up slow. Copy that. Slow hoist engaged. Watch the sway.
Slow down the front hydraulics. It's tilting. Hold it there. I'm securing the chains.
Look at the stress fractures around the frame. The salt damage has really degraded the material.
Yeah, it's definitely spreading past the main impact point. So
All right, steady now. Coming down slow. Watch the left side.
As you can see, the blades are completely locked up. The corrosion is far too extensive.
Confirmed. There's no way to salvage this core.
All right, bring her down. Hold it steady right there. Looks good, set it down.
The blades look perfect, well within tolerance.
Agreed. All readings are nominal. Ready for phase 2.
Easy, easy. Bring her down. She's seated. Locked in. Great work, everyone. Milestone achieved.
Throttle response check initiated. Engine instruments stable. Flight controls checked and free. Systems appear nominal.